That's not true. Where's the other part? Where's the judgment? Where's the conviction?
He's a God of judge, a God of repentance.
Or how will somebody come to the Lord?
Man.
Don't let anybody tell you, you can't judge me if you're living your life right according to what this book says. Yes, you can. You're giving righteous judgment. And the Bible tells us in the book of Matthew, chapter 10, verse 1 to 7.
Papa, I'm the best judge, not less you be judged.
All I was broken, lost and all alone. You came into my darkness and filled this empty soul. How can I thank you for all that you have done for me? You rescued me. Give it up for the King, immortal, eternal. God save the day. You reign on high in matchless wonder. How awesome are your ways. Forever we will sing. How great is our God.
That's the reason I had it still, man.
We're gonna be coming back and forth.
Yeah.
We're gonna be kicking it.
Yeah, you can find us here.
There's some brothers I met yesterday. They were here. They said they come here every Saturday. So you'll see people passing around. They'll probably be passing around stuff and stuff like that. But I mean, if you ever show up here again, like on a Saturday
Well,
in the mornings,
fellowship with you.
more than likely you'll see us or you'll see others coming down here. You know, and people gotta hear the word, man. If they don't hear repent, they don't know what repent is.
You gotta teach repentance.
There's people that believe repent is just asking God for forgiveness and going back and doing it all over again. That's not it. Repentance is turning away from the wrong that is being done, leaving it alone, not doing it again. That's the repentance. Until then, he can't forgive. You know what I mean? It's like you're mocking him every time you're saying, "Oh, you know what, Jesus, but I'm sorry." You know what I mean? Turn from it. You know, the second you receive that baptism, you have that power in you to say, "I don't need that. I have better," and that's Jesus Christ. You know what I mean? That's His word. His word is. There's nothing better, nothing more filling than His word. You know what I mean? So just stay up with it, man. And remember, I'm telling you, there's gonna be people that are gonna try to tell you, "Oh no, but the Quran and the Bible, the Mormons, and don't believe all that, man."
It's
For
garbage.
yourself.
Quran was just an ass. In the Bible itself, it says that
We can't debate. Let's go.
the Muslims will cause chaos all over the world. You see what I'm saying?
Let's go.
What scripture is that?
That's
I don't. You want to debate? Let's go. Let's go, Louis.
religion.
We can't debate. We don't have time.
Alright, don't trip, man.